Hi guys, I'm David from MainMesh for Gmail. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first step with my add-on. So I'm going to start with an empty spreadsheet and I'm going to launch the extension. If you didn't install it yet, there are other videos showing you how to install it. It's quite simple. So as my spreadsheet is empty, first thing MainMesh is asking me is if I want to add mock data in it. So say yes, because it's quite useful. And as you can see here, there is some data that have been added automatically. I will customize it a little bit. I will use my own email address. And of course, it's a bit dummy. I will just put my address everywhere. But the purpose of the add-on is to have multiple recipients, but it's a demonstration. I don't have to keep the header like this. I can change email to recipient, name. If don't want to use the company, for instance, I can use, let's say, salutation. Uh, Diana. Diana. And if I want to say hi to David, hello to Diana, and bonjour to Matthias, I can do this like this. And also, if I want to add a new column with formula, because I'm working in a spreadsheet, let's say price equal 10, equal 12, and equal 0. It's free for Matthias. Don't know why. And now, if I'm launching again the extension, I can do a customization of the template, which is the superpower of MainMesh for Gmail. So here I'm going to edit the template and I'm going to show you how to reuse the data coming from the spreadsheet. But first, we are in a rich text editor, so I can change the text, I can change the font, I can change how it looks like. If I want colors, for instance, I can do it here. It's not very cool. Let's say red. If I want to add new text, yeah, you get the idea. It's a rich text editor, nothing very fancy. But here, other features that are quite interesting. You can add some specific characters, emojis. Love this one. And images. You can images. You can embed some YouTube video, for instance, or add an URL to help people to go to your website after they receive the email. And for most advanced user, from here you can customize the HTML code of the template, which is quite a superpower for users that are able to master HTML. But it's a demo video. So let's go to the most interesting part. It's how to customize the template with the data that I have in my spreadsheet. And for this, it's quite easy. You just have to use the syntax and reuse the header here. So if I want to say we start with the salutation, I use salutation, and I want to customize the email, the name, my user. I can put here name, and let's say I want to do some basic stuff. For you, the price is price. Again, it's the name of the column. Okay, and now if I save the template, going back to the menu, as you can see, the template is customized with the first line of data. And if I want to look to check how it's going to look for the second line, I can use here. Hello Diana, for you the price is 12. And bonjour Matthias, for you the price is 0. Okay, so this is very basics. You have more option here, like adding attachment, copy carbon, hidden copy carbon, change the sender names, and other option. I won't show them in this video. But if I want to send the email right now, I have multiple options. Just click here to send the email now, or use the schedule send, because it can be quite useful to send emails at some specific moment of the day when you know that the user are in front of their screen, so you can use that. And if I want to send emails, just click here. Oh, I forgot to say bye. I can abort the operation, but sorry. But if I go after the 5 seconds, don't have any chance to cancel the operation. So be fast if you miss something like I just did. So now, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. I'm going to send the emails. Campaign is on this way, and as you can see, spreadsheet is alive. And for each line, I get the status of the email, which is sent, sent, sent. This column has been added because I activated the tracking functionality, and it's quite useful to know if user opened the email. So again, here it's quite dummy because I sent all the email at the same address, but of course it's not the purpose of the extension. So going to my mailbox, refreshing. Oh, as you can see, 3 mails are here, customized for each users. And if I go back to my spreadsheet, I can also do refresh tracking, and now I know that my user get my emails. So this was just a short and very brief introduction on maintenance for Gmail. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you get any comments, you want to know something more about the add-on, feel free to reach me. Have a good day, guys. Bye.